Good morning, students. We are now going to start a discussion of our exercise in this lecture, and you are ready with your pencil and a book in your hand, and we'll soon complete this exercise and hope you will write the answers in your notebook and send me on your WhatsApp. Children, you are quite grown enough, so you are going to write your answers on your own. I'll help you later on in correction, and if the answers are wrong, I will be sending my written answers. But you have to try first. Working with the text, answer the following questions. Hope you are ready with your book, children. Refer to that part of the text whose number is given against the question. This applies to the comprehension questions throughout the book. मीन्स ये जो नंबर्स दिए हैं आपके क्वेश्चन के आगे, यानी कि उस पैराग्राफ में आपको ये आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे. ओके, इट्स लाइक अ कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, यानी कि वो पैराग्राफ पढ़ो और ये क्वेश्चंस रीड करो. रीड दिस क्वेश्चन एंड देन गिव द आंसर. 1. What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? So it's in your question number 2, the paragraph 2. Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a toy, but when he picked it up, he came to know, Patrick came to know that that toy wasn't wasn't a non-living thing. It was a living person, a tiny little man elf. Okay, children, you may write in your own words too. Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? When Patrick picked up the toy, thinking that it may be the toy which he had it, when he picked up to see what it is, but it was not a toy, instead it was a living being, that is a tiny little elf. And the elf pleaded Patrick that don't give him back to cat, because cat may kill him. He will be away from cat, and to keep him away from cat, he would grant Patrick a wish, anything which Patrick want from him, and if it is possible for him to do it. Okay. 3. What was Patrick's wish? फिर पैट्रिक का विश क्या था? थर्ड नंबर पैराग्राफ में मिलेगा आपको. यू विल गेट इट फ्रॉम योर पैरा 3. Okay, so it is Patrick wanted the little elf, his wish was to help him in his all the homework of his school, so that in the end of the semester he would deserve A's, the percentage, the grade which he wanted to be in A's. Yes. 4. In what subjects did little man need help to do Patrick's homework? So it is in your 2 paras 5 and 6. The little man needed help from Patrick was, first he wanted always the meaning of mostly all the words which he had never heard it and never read those words. So he used to make Patrick look up into the dictionary for all the words. And the second work which the elf wanted help was, the little man wanted help was in maths. Because he never learned maths in his school days, that is elf, and he knew nothing about even the timetables, even the subtraction, addition, fraction and multiplication. Yes. Next. 5. How did Patrick help him? पैट्रिक ने कैसे हेल्प किया उनका एल्फ का? एट ही यूज्ड टू हेल्प इन almost all the work. From starting, when the elf started helping Patrick, he used to make Patrick sit beside him or make him run to the library, search in the books, look up into the dictionary and get the meanings, get the sound of the word, pronunciation of the each and every word. Then for maths, Patrick was helping elf throughout the night with doing the solution problem, solving the problems of maths, and in the end this was the work actually which Patrick wanted help from him. It was helped by Patrick to solve his or to help him. So it was a reverse job done. Patrick wanted the help from elf, but instead elf made Patrick help him to help Patrick. Okay. 6. Who do you think did Patrick's homework? The little man or Patrick himself? So I gave this answer in your previous question. Obviously, the little man, though he was helping Patrick, but he was making Patrick do the work, and we can understand that almost all the work was done by Patrick, as he was helping the elf. Patrick was actually helping to get his work done, and instead we can say these were not the work done by elf, instead Patrick was doing it. Okay, so give the reasons of your answers. It's in your paras 9 and 10. I gave it in my own words. If you have another answer, I will just correct your answers, send it to me. Working with language. Now here goes with your meanings, understanding your phrases. Fill in the blanks in the sentences below with the words or phrases from the box. You may not know the meaning of all the words. Look such words up in a dictionary or ask your teacher. So here by solving these sentences we'll come to know the meaning. It's very easy. 1. Some people find household dash a bore, but I like to help at home. So it is your course. Course is the work of your house, जो आप काम करते हो घर का, जैसे कि मम्मी क्लीन करती हैं पूरे रूम की, वो भी एक कोर्स है. ओके, till the end she doesn't complete, she doesn't put the clean sheet on the bed, clean curtains on the windows and doors. So this is all after cleaning she has to see whether all the bed sheets, curtains and everything is on its proper place. So this is your 1. We can write it over here, children, or you may write it in your notebooks too. Course, household course we say. Second, who stole the diamond is still a dash. तो किसने कुछ चुराया है और हमने सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट नहीं किया है. So it is a big mystery. Okay, so here we have the word mystery. मिस्ट्री मतलब जो सॉल्व ही नहीं हुआ हमारा प्रॉब्लम, उसको मिस्ट्री कह देते हैं. दिस डैश वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ क्लास एग्जीबिशन. तो इस सेमेस्टर बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि सेमेस्टर के एंड में हर स्कूल में कुछ ना कुछ एग्जीबिशन होता है. ओके, एंड सेमेस्टर इज़ द एंड ऑफ योर दैट क्लास which helps you to do some make some bulletin boards, make some charts, make some models, because you have learned so many things in your all the subjects, especially science, history, and you can you have understood the lesson, so you can make the charts and models of those lessons, and it is kept always after the exhibitions are always held after the semesters. Yes, dash the elf began to help Patrick. Okay, what will be the answer over here? That is out of, true to his word. It is in your lesson itself. Okay, so T will be capital, children. Okay, T will be in capital. True to his words, यानी प्रॉमिस किया था तो उनको हेल्प करना ही है. प्रॉमिस नहीं करा होता तो हम अपने बात से मुकर नहीं सकते हैं. प्रॉमिस मीन्स वी हैव टू कीप आवर वर्ड्स. ट्रू टू हिज वर्ड्स. Here I made a mistake. I am a teacher and even I am a human being, children. Yes. Can you dash this word in the dictionary? तो डिक्शनरी में मैंने बहुत जगह एक्सप्लेनेशन में यूज़ किया है. It's your look up. So when you see a word of meaning in your dictionary, actually you are looking up for the word in the dictionary. Okay, children, so remember these words. 6. I started early to be on time, but I was dash. There was a traffic jam. मैं जल्दी निकला घर से, बट मेरी बैड लक थी कि मैं वहाँ पर जल्दी पहुँचने के बाद भी उधर रुकना पड़ा. क्यों? क्योंकि बीच में ट्रैफिक जैम था. आउट ऑफ लक, यानी मेरी बैड लक थी कि मैं टाइम पे निकलने के बाद भी अपनी डेस्टिनी पे नहीं पहुँच पाया. She says she's got lot of books but dash I think most of them are borrowed. तो ये इन्होंने थोड़ा बहुत इन्होंने झूठ बोला होगा या किसी को बताना नहीं चाहते होंगे, तो ये सीक्रेट जैसा है बिटवीन यू एंड मी. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर बोरोड. ओके, सो आप लिखेंगे बिटवीन you and me. So I have done this for you. You have not to put your head into this, but try to use these words in your daily talking English. When you talk English, try to use one and two words over from here, and you'll be using it in your daily life, and you'll be knowing your vocabulary. Okay. Use the clues given below to complete this crossword puzzle. And this is very easy. You have to see across means from left to right, and down means from top to bottom. So children, one will do very tired. So very tired is one, and here very tired means weary. Am I right, children? Weary. Yes, and I'll do the down one. Work hard, work that must be done every day, often boring. So 6, find where is 6, and it is your course. Right now in the fill in the blanks we did it. Okay, RES, course. So children, it's very easy. Puzzle up, do the solving of almost. Now here we go for speaking. In the story, Patrick does difficult things he hates to do because the elf pretends he need help. Have you ever done something difficult or frightening by pretending about it in some way? Tell your classmates about it, or say what you feel about homework. The words and phrases in the boxes may help you. Do you think it is useful even though you may not like it? Form pairs and speak to each other. For example, you may say, I'm not fond of homework, or your partner may reply, but my sister helps me with my lessons at home and that gives a boost to my marks. So here are the phrases. You can use it in your speaking. So I want you to do this exercise at home, and if possible you can even write it down and send it to me. Children, it's very interesting. Just a paragraph you have to write. Yes, writing. This story has lot of rhyming words as a poem does. Can you write out some parts of it like a poem so that the rhymes come at the end of separate lines? Okay, for example, here it is given, Patrick never did homework, too boring, he said. He played baseball and hockey and Nintendo instead. So said and instead are the rhyming words. You are going to do this right now on your page 10. I was reading some 2 lines and there was the you can say rhyming words at the end of the line. So I am turning my book pages back and you can find out over here for yourself. Read this again and find out the rhyming words, 2 lines over here. Okay children, and write those 2 lines and send it to me. It's right on your page number 10. I read it when I was doing my reading. So children, go back to your exercise and let me read this, how to do it. Look at these sentences. Too boring, he said. And second sentence, cleaned his room, did his course. Then when we speak, we often leave out words that can easily be guessed. तो हमने बीच में कुछ ना कुछ इस सेंटेंस में छोड़ा है. Too boring, he said. Now what was boring? Obviously हमें खुद समझना है. Cleaned his room, did his course. तो उन्होंने अपना रूम क्लीन किया. किसने किया और कैसे किया, वो बीच में थोड़े बहुत वर्ड्स रह गए हैं. We do not do this when we write unless we are trying to write as we speak as in the story. तो हम जब स्टोरी लिखते हैं तभी हम सारे वर्ड्स लिखने की कोशिश करते हैं, क्योंकि सामने वाले जब रीड करेगा हमारी स्टोरी उसको हिडन वर्ड्स नज़र नहीं आएंगे एंड द स्टोरी में गो हैविंग अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग. What you wanted to write, your intention, and what the third person is reading, he may not understand your views. So you have to write, jot down all the words. But when you're speaking, you can speak by missing one or two words in your lines. So please children, you have to write, I think so. Let's see what they're telling us to do. It's so if we were to write carefully, we would say, homework is too boring, he said. He cleaned his room and did his course. These are the full sentence with all the words. Children, so this is just for your understanding how to complete your sentence with all the words. Rewrite the following incomplete sentences carefully so that the reader does not have to guess what is left out. 1. More and more books. Too difficult. Got up late, missed the bus, solve the mystery. So you are going to add these from your own point of view, or you can go the reading, do the reading of the book and find the sentence which is having these phrases in it. Then the D1, look at this cartoon by R.K. Lakshman, read the sentence given below the cartoon, discuss the following question with your partner. What is it about? ये जो कार्टून है इसमें कैसे क्या नज़र आ रहा है ये बताना है आपको. Do you find it funny? If so, why? Do you think a cartoon is a serious drawing? Why and why not? So you are going to let me know by your 3 sentences or 1 or 2 sentences more to elaborate what is this cartoon about. Okay children, till then we'll wish each other bye. Hope happy writing of your exercise, and soon I will be receiving your answers on my WhatsApp. Till then children, have a happy reading, and it is a tedious job, I know, but you have to do it. Thank you children. Bye.